Hey friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean. If you are new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? You better be subscribed. Thank you. Today I'm showing you guys how I got this super cute and easy Burmese curly half wig installed with no heat. Okay, and dare I say, this is probably the best blending I've done with a curly wig in a minute. So if you want to see all my little tips and tricks and the products that I used, let's get into it. Let's get into it. I've been really into this new format for my videos, so we're about to walk y'all through it and talk y'all through it. Take y'all through there, if you will. Okay, so for starters, my hair is in a vulnerable state, okay? She has been washed, blow dried, but I've also been wearing half wigs this week, so my edges are a little hit, honey. Mind your business, okay? Today's video is sponsored by 𝐈𝐒𝐄𝐄. They sent me this really cute 24-inch Burmese curly half wig. I will put all of the details down below, but the curls are gorgeous. She is super full. The cap construction is great. And get into the curls, honey, okay? You need her in your arsenal. And I'm not a UFC fighter, okay? So I don't need the additional elastic band. I go ahead and take her out. I go ahead and remove that young lady, okay? Because between the drawstring and the combs, it's enough security for me. I even sleep in my wigs. I can wear this for a week straight, okay? It's giving sew in. Unless you about to, you're fine, friend. Unless you have a very sinister plans, you should be okay. Normally, I like to wash my wigs before I install them, but I didn't want to wash this one because I love the little finger coils that it comes with. And in order to get it back like this, you have to, do the whole thing. And I'm not about to do that today, okay? I want to pop her on and get her done. I just don't want to walk around looking a mess, okay? So first things first, we got to get into our braiding pattern and get our natural hair ready. So I'm starting off by parting out a tinctures of leave out, a pinch, okay? I'm talking a half inch max. To be honest, it's based on the density of your hair. If you have thinner hair, give it an inch and a half of leave out. Don't play yourself. But if you have fuller hair and you can kind of get away with it, a pinch of leave out, honey. Truly, I don't have much out at all, and I think it makes it look a little more natural because you have less hair to blend, in my personal opinion. But take it with a grain of salt, okay? If you like my hair, listen. If you don't, hey, okay, just finish watching the video, friend, but do what you will. Now, for my actual braiding pattern, I like to start with an anchor braid. So I start by braiding my hair from this side all the way to this side. Then I bring her down the back around this side. Then I bring another braid down this side. And am I making sense? Essentially, you want to have a braided base all the way around the perimeter of where you're going to be like attaching your wig. I like to give my combs a little something to hold on to, and maybe that's why I don't need the elastic band. But essentially, yes, I create an anchor braid for all of my combs to kind of hold on to, keep my wig real nice and secure. Now, for the middle of my head, to be honest, I just throw it in one big braid, especially for a curly wig. That's my business. That's between me and the Lord. Don't nobody need to know all that. Throw it in a braid, pop it under a wig cap, and now we are ready to install, which literally takes 30 seconds, if that. I start by attaching the middle comb just to make sure everything is nice and centered, and then I do each side comb, apply the comb in the back, tighten the drawstring, tuck her in for the love of God, okay? Please don't have your drawstring dangling. Tuck her in, and that's it. And now we can get into blending. Now for the blending, my hair is a little textured, okay? So I have to do a little layered situation. I start by wetting down my leave out because I want to wear it curly with no heat. So we got to get her nice and moist, okay? Get her nice and juicy, because you want to kind of give your product something to hold on to, and you want to get your curls nice and moist and defined, so that we're essentially locking them into place, because that's what's going to make your edges blend with the wig. So I wet my edges down. First, I applied a little bit of this olive oil wrap and set lotion. I will link everything down below. I'm literally almost out, so I need to get a new one, but I love this stuff. I love it for straight styles and curly styles. It's just a really good all around foaming mousse, and it's really easy to find. I got it at CVS, all kind of places where you can. She's easy to find. Okay, she's an accessible girly pop. We love her. So I applied this first. Then I went in with a little bit of the Extreme Wet Line Gel. Girl, my hair is unruly, and that's the only thing that really keeps it defined once it dries. I like to use the mousse to kind of comb everything into place, and then I'm really using the gel to define the curls all the way to the ends of my natural hair, but I'm doing my best to keep it off of the wig because it'll make the wig look a little crunchy, and we don't want that. Find a balance, honey. And then once I apply the gel, I kind of brush everything straight back just to get the curls nice and defined to blend the product all throughout my hair, right? Then, and only then, do we do the baby hairs, because it's a curly wig and we got to. If it's a straight wig, I got to. Okay, I don't want to hear nothing about it. I like these to baby hairs. Don't try to make me go to rehab. I will not go. No. Okay, I don't care what the trend says. I'm gonna have baby hairs. So went ahead and laid those down, and the wig came with an elastic band, so I used that to tie down my baby hairs. And I like to have that like real slick edge situation, so I added an additional elastic band to kind of make this whole area super flat. That also really helps to kind of blend in the wig because it's like texture right here, so it creates a real cute little illusion situation. I don't care, tracks wear, okay? So baby hair is done, hair blended, we letting her air dry, right? Now for the actual extensions, I'm giving her a little bit of a trim. So I'm grabbing all the hair from the crown, brushing it going straight up, and then trimming about an inch off. This technique gives you a really soft layered look without it looking like too much. Very, very, very beginner friendly. It's hard to mess up. Just don't cut too much. You can always cut more, so don't start going too crazy. I didn't brush all of the hair out, just the hair on top. So I'm just really gonna focus on defining the curls there and leaving the rest of it alone. I just gave it a little finger comb, and that was that on that. Now, I only used the wrap and set lotion on the actual extension hair. I didn't use the wet line gel on the extension hair. And it took about an hour and a half to dry. I watched like 1.5 episodes of The Wire. I'm rewatching it. It's good, okay? So I watched like an episode and a half, took about an hour and a half, and my hair is completely dry, my natural hair and the extensions, and I love her. She came out really, really cute. I've been playing a lot with the half wigs lately and doing a lot of little fun styles, and I wanted to just kind of pop in here and do a little traditional, beginner-friendly something for the girls. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. The curls on this wig are gorgeous. And even though it's a Burmese curly, not a kinky curly, she still got a little texture, so you definitely can get away with blending your natural hair with her with no heat. Try my technique. Let me know if you like it. And if you use different products to define your curls, let me know what you use, because I'm overdue for a little product haul. I want to try some new stuff. I gotta replace my old faithfuls, but I do want to try a couple of new things. So let me know what you're loving right now, and I will pick it up. Maybe we can get a little review. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.